Okay, while all my doors are drying, I'm going to do the next stage is build the shelving in here. And what I want, my plans are, I want like a loft here, maybe 5'2" up, maybe up to here or here, I'm not sure. And so, put stuff up and underneath it. On this side, I want to be able to store my wood. So I could rest like plywood, drywall, 8x4 sheets here against the wall, and then I'm going to put a shelf above that where I can lay my 2x4s down, and then above that shelving here, and this part is just going to be left for tall things placed in the shed that are tall, and that's my goal, and I'm going to try and finish that during the night. Okay, I started off and put the first beam across for the shelf. I'm going to put another one on that far wall, and I made it so I could walk right under it. So it's like 2 inches above my height, so it's like a 5'10" or so. So it's good. So then we can store stuff above there. The beauty about building something like this is you can custom make it to fit your needs, eh? Okay, I got the shelf all ready to go. Just gotta cut it 4x8. I'm using OSB 5/8 inch. It was cheap. 8 feet will go about here, and then I need another piece. And just to make it, it's pretty strong as it is, but just to make it stronger, I'm gonna put braces here on the ends, on the corners. Okay, working on my shelf through the early hours of the night, and that's what I got for support. And I tested it out. It's very strong. So you could get up on there and put stuff away and stuff, so you not just reach from the end. So it's all the beams are set for plywood. One sheet's going to go to there, and then a smaller sheet to the end. And I just want one more shelf down there for my 2x4s, and maybe a shelf above there. Okay, almost completed my shelving. I just got this top shelf here to do. So I could put all my plywood underneath here, and I could put all my 2x4s, long pieces of stuff, right there. Shop in the top for storing junk, and over here it'd just be for high stuff you want to hang on the walls and stuff. Lawnmower, everything down there. So it's looking good. Actually, I don't even want to put anything in here, any junk. It's so nice. But I put up my tools and stuff in here. Okay, I finished the shelves last year, but I only filmed part of it. So I'm just going to show you everything I did this year. The shed's not organized or nothing right now. I have to do that later maybe soon actually. And I wanted the spot to save, to store my wood. So I put my plywood and everything down here. And up on here on this shelf, goes all the way to the back. I can put my 2x4s and planks there. And I got a shelf on up there. It just goes here. And then I got a big loft up here. The main thing is I wanted that loft. And my wife gave me the idea to support the loft with the roof trusses there. And then I've got a shelf running underneath, and you can store stuff there. And this is for all the tall stuff here, nothing here. Oh no, lots of storage space in there. Okay, after the shelving and everything, well, actually I did this before the shelving. I painted it. It's already primed at the panel board, so you just got to put normal paint on there, outdoor paint. Did 2 coats, I think. And then you got to caulk all along the trim, so no water and stuff gets in there. And over the years, you probably have to keep up on that, recaulk it and stuff, if you want to keep the shed going. So this is filmed just over a year later, so shed's still good, still level. It's fall now, and I'll be posting more videos of such, like I do electronics, and I'll be building more things out of wood. And I paint too, so you might see some videos on that. Like this garbage shed here, probably be building another one. And I made like a little light thing that, I don't know if you can see that, that goes on, LEDs. When you open it up with the switch there, it's kind of handy. We're putting garbage in at night. So I might make a video on that, but I enjoyed doing this. It was fun. And thank you all for watching. And hopefully to see you again. Thank you. Bye.